Hello there YouTube, today we have another unboxing and this time it's the Sony ZV E10 and with a camera lens that is also from Sony, and I'm going to try out this machine. Really much have been waiting for this one, and I want to compare this to my Canon EOS M50 Mark II that is actually filming right now. Really nice machine, both of them. Actually, ZV-1 is also a machine that I'm trying out at the moment. Also a nice machine. But
969
I really want to try this one out. So let's get to the unboxing of this camera. So some warranty extension, invoice and some papers that nobody ever reads, and then you have some AC cable, a Sony strap, a UK AC cable, type C to type A cable, USB, and a dead cat, and also your charger. So this one is the body, and also what you get, this was actually a separate purchase, the Extreme Pro 170 megabyte per second, but I also purchased this one, which is the Extreme Pro 200 megabits per second. So it means reading up to 200 megabits per second and writing up to 90 megabits per second. So let's get this from out of the way. Very nice machine. It does feel a bit plasticky if you compare it to the ZV-1. The body of the ZV-1 is actually metal or something like metal, but this one a little bit beefier. You can see similar machine, similar screen. There we go. I'll turn it on. Alright, I think we need to unbox the lens and put it on here. But really I like the way this machine actually looks. Here, oh yeah, it comes with a type C here and an micro HDMI output and a microphone jack here, and yeah, so it actually, that's it for the machine. So let's unbox the lens. Right, this one is a Sony SEL 16 to 50 millimeters f3 556. All right, it's a small lens. You'll see it just within a minute. There we go, very small one, and it is supposed to just click on the body here. So let's, well, this is the front and here is the back. All right, I'm trying to get no dust on this system. So lining up the white here, there we go. All right, I have to turn it a little bit more and then it sits on its spot, and you can see it's completely electronic. It does make noise. Well, I feel actually vibrations while it's moving. Let's compare it to the ZV-1. Yeah, this one actually is louder. As you can see, it makes more noise, but this one you might not be able to hear it on the camera. Autofocus. So let me close this. There we go. So yeah, this is kind of the machine that is, I might be keeping this one instead of the ZV-1. This one, older model, and the only problem with this one is you can't change the lenses. This one actually has a wide angle lens on it from Ulanzi, but still I much rather prefer this one interchangeable lenses. Then whatever you like, you can just buy it. I'm not saying these are really cheap. You can either get, oh yeah, hold on, there is also, you can also zoom in by the lens itself. So here, that is really a nice touch. You don't really need to use this one. You can also use it by the lenses well, slider. For the rest of the system, I'm not going to go an in-depth review for this one. It's just an unboxing. The feeling of the machine is like when you keep it in your hand. This one feels, well, I have a real nice grip on this. On this one, you need really small hands, but I do have small hands, but even then it doesn't feel like hold me. It feels like put me on a stand or something. Not really a feeling that you have to keep it like with both hands and use it this way. So just turn this off. There we go. And when you turn this one off, it just closes the lens. Yeah, there we go, it's gone in. Turn it back on, it opens. I'm gonna make also a video while I'm recording with this one instead of the Canon, and when the recording is done, we can compare it together, which one actually does the best screen, well, capture, whatever you might want to say, but I'm pretty sure that this one is the best one between all of them. Well, we'll see. I can't be sure because I haven't tested this one yet, but I have tested this one. It is not bad, but this one should be better than this one. And the Canon should be as good as all of these if you're filming in full HD, not 4K, because the crop on the Canon is just too much and it takes away the experience. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content like this in the future. Bye!